Speaking of money sitting on the sidelines, there is a significant amount of it, right? We've seen in IPOs over the past few months, some getting oversubscribed to the extent of, and would suggest that money to the extent of 2.5-3 lakh crore is sitting waiting to be invested, locked for a couple of days, 3 days, 4 days. What does that tell you about the capability? Either of you can take this, about the capability that Nilesh Bhai just spoke of deployment. We're still sitting at what, 5 crore unique investors for the mutual fund industry. It can be significantly higher.
Yeah. So, look, I think there is money chasing IPOs from, I think I look at it from two perspectives. One is, of course, nobody wants to get rich over a 30-year compounded period. Everybody wants to get rich. Yeah. So everybody wants to get rich next week, probably. I think that is one perspective to the whole IPO craze. But the second perspective, I think, is that we need these big IPOs. Look, because the point is that ultimately the demand has to be matched by supply, right? I mean, it's great that there are big IPOs which are coming and getting listed in Indian markets. I think that is a salute to the fact that there is an investor base out there. You can always keep debating when an IPO comes, what is the valuation, what it should be. Ultimately, there is a supply-demand match, and that's where the price will get set. But I think in the long run, IPOs, we are not in 1990s. In 1990s, IPOs was a different thing. Today, when IPOs come, they're coming after companies spending 12 to 15 years in the private equity cradle.
There's a track record.
Right, there is a track record. Last few years, you look at it, the quality of IPOs has been fantastic. You see diagnostics, you see hospitals, you see some of the new age businesses, you see some of the capital market companies, you see our industry. I think they have made great wealth for, the chemicals and pharmaceuticals. They've made great wealth for investors. I mean, if we don't want IPOs, what do we want? We want these great businesses to be with private equity?
No, you must have. And you must have issuances because of the kind of liquidity that is getting pumped into the system. You need something to suck that out.